We all know how wonderful it feels to learn something new. When someone explains something in a way that just clicks. As complexity increases, this skill of explaining simply only becomes more valuable. And with dropping attention spans, we don't just need simple, we also need short and entertaining. Explaining is a skill, and anyone can learn it. Two components are fundamental for any digital explanation: the scripts and the visuals. The script is textual work where you decide what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. What to say requires empathy with your viewers, and you'll dig into what questions people ask and use that to design your answer. When to say things is about structuring your points in a logical order, and how you say things is about language, simple sentences, active voice, and no jargon. Now you have a script, a solid foundation to build the visual side on top of. You then turn the script into a voiceover, either by narrating it into a microphone, pay someone else to do it, or generate a voiceover with a text-to-speech tool. And the final step is to use animation to make your points even clearer. One sentence gets one scene. What's said is what you visualize. All this might sound like a lot, but luckily there are tools and templates that help you along the way. I've seen consultants, teachers, business owners, e-learning designers, professionals of all sorts add this skill set to their tool belt. Because when you acquire the skill of explaining, you unlock a medium that can hold whatever information you want to share with the world. If you want to learn more, I've written a series of emails that go one level deeper. If you give me your email, I can send you the first one.